Y'all, everything is blooming right now, and I almost missed this. Look at this amaryllis flower. It just opened and bloomed like this overnight. It smells delightful. This is why you have to walk your garden daily. She even has some little children coming up next to her. We have another couple in the front. And this right here, my blueberries, look how many are forming. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Beautiful. This didn't happen overnight. It took consistency, watering, and patience. Now, my roses, they're budding beautifully as well. But while I was walking the patio garden this morning, I couldn't help but to notice a couple of things, how strong they're standing up in the wind. And I also noticed a little something going on with the leaves on this rose bush. This here is real life gardening. Nothing in life is perfect, but we're learning each day and we adjust accordingly. We garden ourselves accordingly, removing leaves that no longer serves purpose to make sure that our beautiful plants have the opportunity to live their best life. When I see damages coming across like this on my roses, I know that it's time to treat. They have not been treated since I pruned everything back and gave them a treatment, which was at the beginning of spring. And this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful plant. Mm. Look at the African daisies coming up and the stevia. And here is some lavender and white yarrow as well as red yarrow. And here are my blueberries. Guarding yourselves accordingly. This right here, this is what patience looks like in the garden. From almost losing plants to this. Everything doesn't bloom all at the same time. But when it does, you'll understand why you waited. Guard yourselves accordingly. This was Lady Empress.